All right, I'm going to do a quick Bitcoin update. I'm not going to do too much into the chart. Sort of an advertisement for the channel. Hit the subscribe button below. I will tell you exactly why. Um, this is funny to see. We were doing our setup the other day where we were talking about how we are looking at a retest somewhere below 50,000, above 46,000, and that is where we are setting up for our buying range. The irony here is sometimes you got to say charts are wrong, and then other times you get this. So let's actually go take a look at the old chart. I like to throw this out here. We have March 22nd, 3 days ago. I say Bitcoin broken down 56,000 on support. We are heading down. We'll hopefully bounce off 46,000 and head up. Let us fill in this chart. Let TradingView do the work. Gosh, they just won't stop with it. Let TradingView do the work. How pretty is that? How beautiful is that? Become one with the chart, I guess. So, like I said, great advertisement for the channel. Of course, there are times where the arrow is in completely the wrong direction, but that one really worked out, and it's a nice advertisement, and frankly, a little bit of humor for a Thursday morning. So let me know what you think here. Where do you think Bitcoin will stop? It seems obvious we are in some sort of retracement from 61,000. How far down does that go? I probably agree with the folks who say that the macro has yet to turn bearish. I think they are correct. And if we go back to the chart, you'll see I've still got us well above this long bullish trend line that we are on. I would think it seems very likely that we will continue on up, and folks are starting to predict numbers that are higher up, 80, 90, 100,000. I think as long as investors are patient, that is a very real possibility, potentially even by the end of the year. So obviously we are watching now. We want to see this downward movement get reversed somewhere a little bit further than where we are, perhaps another 2 to 8% to fall, and then the good scenario would be to reverse from there, bounce. Let's actually flip this. Wow, I'm remembering the last video I did. I said Bitcoin needs to make up its mind. I think it's going to flip that into resistance and head down, which is what happened. Very cool. So we'll see. Do I keep getting this one right? Because my suspicion is that we are going to test, and as soon as Bitcoin begins the faintest hint of a reversal, I think it is going to power through that 56,000 resistance. Folks are on TV making calls about 100,000, 200,000, crazy stuff. Retail money is flowing. The Bitcoin has never been easier to buy. It's never been talked about more. I think in the near term, I am incredibly bullish after this retrace, after we fully put this retrace behind us. Now, that said, these markets always have the potential for extreme shocks, and I think that I am likely still bullish, but I'm watching for these shocks, because if we somehow burn through two support levels back down to maybe 30,000, I would think that we go back up from that as well. Will we ever see Bitcoin sub 10K? I don't know. We'll see it sub 30K. It's kind of wild. So, always nice reminder there at the end. We are not a financial advisor. We are a student of the charts. If we were a financial advisor, we wouldn't be making YouTube videos. So always important to give the disclaimer. I do not advocate that you make any specific trades. I am here to socially study the trades that I am making, as well as some of the charting work that I do outside of trading. We like to poke fun at the things we get wrong, and we make specific calls because frankly, it's fun when we get them right like this. And past couple days we've been kind of on, so that's always great to experience, and it's certainly fun to make videos about. So thank you for dropping by. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and drop the like. Let me know, do you think Bitcoin keeps going? What is the high of this run going to be? Is it over $100,000?